Deck, backyard, windows. That's the man cave room. This is the breezeway between the house and the man cave. There's a door back in there. Wood pile. Neighbors. Little structures of kinds. The big tree. It's very big and beautiful. It goes. But it doesn't really hang over the house much. Tiny bit. Deck. In pretty good order. Got benches. Back of the house. I'm by the tree now. Air conditioning. A lot of trees in the neighbors. Oh, there are 2 trees in this yard. That one too, whatever that is. It's nice and shady.